Hey, I'm James Hodson. We're starting this live stream. I'm going to show you how you can get access to AI agents without spending any money. We're going to stake more tokens, Morpheus tokens, and we're going to get access to the Katara AI platform. And so I'm going to share my screen and walk you through step by step on how to do it. Here we go. Let me just move this out so we got the infinity window. So I'll go to our main website just so you can kind of see. Basically, what Katara does is we answer Q&A in Discord. We have some AI agents. So if you go to the Morpheus Discord server, which I can link below, you can actually see the Katara bot answering questions, citing its sources based off of a RAG that we set up. And we do this for some of the best projects in Web3. I'll show you also we're on Wired Network as well, answering questions here in their Discord. And so really easy to install our Katara Discord bot. But I'm going to show you how to get access to getting it. Because right now everything is private beta and it's a little bit interesting to navigate to get to the right pages, make sure you're doing the right thing. So I'm here to handhold a little bit. So we built a subnet on Morpheus. You can find our post on X. It's got over 5,000 impressions about our launch. But if you go to more.org, you can find and visit the site where all the builder subnets are. And just for this demo, I'm going to disconnect my wallet so we can really start fresh. So these are all the builder subnets that are on the Morpheus network, and we built ours on base. So everything you do, you really want to make sure you're on base. Katara is one of the top 5 more builder projects. We have over 3,000 more staked, 14 addresses staked to our address. And so I'm going to show you exactly how to stake it. It's really simple. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways because you do have to bridge to base if you don't already have tokens on base. And I'm going to show you how to swap and do all that kind of stuff. So we're going to open a MetaMask. I actually preloaded a little bit of this. But one thing you can do is if you connect your wallet, I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. You can see your more balance in there. You can also add your more token to MetaMask, which I like because then you're getting the right more token, because there will be an Ethereum more token and a base more token. And the Ethereum more will not show up. The base more will show up. So again, you can click this button and it will add. I already added it. So in MetaMask, I'm on the base network and I have my Morpheus tokens here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swap some ETH for Morpheus. I did a little backwards, but you get the concept. So let's say I have some ETH on base and we want to swap a few Morpheus or a few ETH for more tokens. So go ahead and hit swap. We'll see if it processes and actually gets you the more tokens you want. Right now we have a minimum of 1,000 more tokens in order to get access. You can stake one more token if you like, and you'll still earn emissions on that. But to get access to the Katara AI platform, we have 3 thresholds. The first threshold is 1,000 more tokens gets you just access to the platform. 1,500 more tokens gets you access to the platform plus a support. And then if you stake over 2,000, you will get access to the Katara AI platform plus a full-on customer support DevRel that you can use for as much time as you need. So all right, let's check if my Morpheus showed up. So I've noticed that it is a little bit slow. So don't get worried if you don't see your Morpheus token showing up right this second. But you can always check your MetaMask and you can see, okay, it looks like the transaction completed. And so we can go back because we can see there are 2 full more in our account on base. can always check your activity. You can see that the transaction swapped or completed, and you can view it on the block explorer as well. So if you ever, you can, see everything that you need to see. So let's try to stake 2, because I know that I have 2.3 in my account. So we have 2. Let's see if we disconnect the wallet and connect it again. There's the 2. So I want to stake 2. You're going to confirm it in MetaMask, and then it will ask you to confirm it again. And you'll confirm it a second time, and then you'll see the success button pop up. And I'm going to try to be quick so that I can show you the transaction as well. Something went wrong. What went wrong? Confirm. What happened? Okay, so the transaction from ERC, you got 2 more tokens. It looks like it went through. I missed the success. So we have 2 in there, and we can try to find our wallet address. So this one, I believe, is 05. There you go. So we can see we have 4 more staked. And you can, so I know that we started with 2 Morpheus stake, now we have 4, so I know that this transaction went through. We should also maybe see if that balance went down. So again, I would look at base scan if you're ever worried about things going through. You can always do a test transaction as well, but that one went through flawlessly. I also recommend. I've had more success with bridging ETH to base and then swapping for the Morpheus tokens than with buying Morpheus tokens and then bridging them to base. You can do it either way. It seems to work a little bit more seamless that way. And by now, let's see. You can also use like a cross network if you do have tokens on any of the other chains, on Arbitron or anything like that. And so that's how to stake it. Once you see your transaction complete, you can email us this transaction ID if you like. Our email is hello@katara.ai. Again, you can also request early access directly in our platform or hit the login button, and we will send you a authorization key. We do need an email address, but again, you can email hello@katara.ai to get everything that you need. Send us the transaction ID. We'll get you access as soon as we verify that there's 1,000 more tokens at least staked to our subnet. Anyways, that's how we're going to access. Once we have that, we'll do an onboarding call and we'll get you all set up. So I hope that was a productive call. And again, you can find us in the more.org builder subnet. And, we have 14 stakers. I'm one of them. So 13 legit ones. And we have over 3,000 more tokens staked on us right now. So I'm going to go ahead and end this live stream, and feel free to reach out to us with any questions at hello@katara.ai. Our Discord is completely live. You can go in there and you can play around with our AI agents and see what they're like as well if you want to get a feel for what they do. Yeah, and that's it. Thanks so much.